Hello students, in this video we are going to look at the notion of continuity, the concept of continuity, which is an integral part of differential calculus. Here f be a function from R to R and A is an element of its domain. Now, for each element of the domain, f has a value, and that value is in fact the image of A under F. Now this value of F at x is equal to A is of two category so far as real functions are concerned. The first one is actual value, the value of the function at A, the actual value of the function, and this is written by f at A. The second value is the limiting value of the function at x is equal to A. By saying the limiting value, we mean two types of limiting values. That means limiting values are further categorized into two categories. The first one is left limiting value or left hand limit, and the second one is right limiting value or right hand limit. The symbol for left hand limit is limit x tending to a minus of fx, and that of the right hand limit is limit x tending to a plus of fx. This symbol can be written in another form like this. Either you can use this or you can use this. This is limit h tending to 0 of f of a minus h, and the right hand limit can be expressed as limit h tending to 0 f of a plus h. In the case of limits, we have also studied that there are two types of tendency. The first is left-handed tendency and the second one is right-hand tendency. This is the left-hand tendency. That means x is smaller than a. X approaches a by being smaller than a. Here x approaches a by being greater than a. So here the limiting tendency, the tendency of the limit is right hand tendency. That is why we say this is a right hand limit. Similarly, here we say left hand limit. Now, sometimes either one occur, but not both occur. If both exist and are equal, only then we say that limit extending to a fx exists. Otherwise, we can't say that the limit exists. Maybe this limit exists, that means left hand limit exists, but right hand limit does not exist. In this case, we cannot say that the limit exists. Sometimes right hand limit exists, but this limit does not exist. Sometimes both the limit exists, but they are not equal. We say that the limit exists only when both of them exists and they are equal. Now let us look at the definition of continuity at a point. Continuity at x is equal to a function, of course a real function R to R, is said to be continuous at a point x is equal to a of its domain if the left hand limit at a is equal to right hand limit at a is equal to actual value of the function. That means the limit exists and are equal and both equal to the actual value of the function. This statement is applied to test the continuity of a function at a point. And when you check the continuity of a function at all points of its domain and you find that the function is continuous at all points, then you say this is a continuous function. तो दूसरे वीडियो के लिए ओके, थैंक यू।